How to add PaySafeCard to Google Play. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add PaySafeCard to Google Play. So first thing, just head over to your Google Play Store and just click on this top right corner, which is your account or profile. And once you're inside here, just tap on this payment and subscription option. Just tap on it, and from over here, just click on payment methods. So once you click on it, you can be seeing a lot of payment method if you already linked your credit card, debit card, or paysafe card as well to your Google account. So since I haven't created it, and it's particularly not available for every single country, so you may keep that in mind. So let me just show you from an example. If you can't find it, you can also click on this more payment setting to actually find it if it's available in your country. So as you can see in this example, there is an option called add paysafe card, just like that, like with add credit or debit card. So there's an actual option, so just tap on it. You just have to tap on it, and if you don't have already, you have to create your paysafe card account. And once you do that, you might as well have to enter the 6-digit number, which will be critical for your adding of this card on your Play Store. And just click on it, enter your 16-digit code, and once you do all of that, your paysafe card should be successfully added to your Play Store. And from now on, you can just tap on this button over here, which is highlighted, and just start using paysafe card on your Google Play. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.